How to fix a TikTok shop not showing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TikTok shop not showing problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok app and get logged into your account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Then tap on 3-bar icon on your top right and tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll at the bottom of the page and under support and about, tap on report a problem. At this page under topics, expand the option that says account and profile. Here, tap on profile page, then tap on other. Tap on no and tap on need more help. At this page, simply type in your problem that you are not being able to see the TikTok shop option in your account and you would like to get it back as soon as possible. If you have a screenshot of that problem, you can add that by tapping on this photo icon. Once done, tap on submit. And now all you have to do is wait for TikTok to contact you back in your system notifications in your TikTok inbox. Go back to your page and under inbox, you will see system notifications. If TikTok replies to you, here is where you can see it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.